I am somebody that really values good foot care. So when I was asked to use and review this Tucketts foot care spa kit, I was very excited just because it's something I already do often. Well, first off, I like the kit. It is very visually appealing. The kit comes in this adorable box, and everything is packed nicely inside. The box does give instructions on how to use the products. This is the massage ball. It also has a detoxifying charcoal foot scrub. It has the moisturizer and the spacers for your toes. So let's talk about the foot moisturizer. It definitely was a cream that felt very good. I found it to be extremely moisturizing, and my feet did feel softer once I applied it. The spacers were a helpful tool, and they really definitely elevated the experience. The detoxifying charcoal scrub, I really enjoyed. If you've ever used a scrub, you know it could get kind of messy, but I definitely enjoyed using that. And the massage ball was a nice bonus. The ball is well made and it's firm, and I used it to help relieve foot stress from, a day's work. Overall, I highly recommend this Tucketts Foot Care Spa, but I also have great ideas for these kits. First, it would be so nice just to treat yourself because I really enjoyed the experience, but I'm definitely going to use these foot care kits as gifts because it's presented nice. It arrived in a timely manner when they told me that they were going to send it, and the products are very well thought out and well made. I am extremely satisfied, and I highly recommend this Tucketts Foot Care Spa Kit.